Okay, welcome back. What we want to do is to look at the nature of business organizations, okay? Bear with me while I get myself settled here, okay? Because I don't want to be out of focus or such, okay? Thank you. Now, we'll ignore this one, okay? Yeah. But this is the main part as well, okay? Now, here we have business is split into two sections, and you need to be aware of those sections, private and public, okay? Now, sole trader. Now, I've muted the noise on the sound on this because not everyone likes to hear the clickety-click or various noise that it makes when you are doing a PowerPoint. But bear in mind to extract the information for yourselves and make it your own. Okay? And that is what we need to be looking at and doing. Okay? Now here we have advantages and disadvantages of being a sole trader. Okay? And we're going to look at the disadvantages first. Okay, and I'll just pan out so we can get it all in. Now here we're going to look at the advantages. Okay. Now, bear that in mind. Make this information your own. Okay. And here we have the sole trader. As the business grows, the owner tends to develop into a management-only role. Now, we're looking at here the means by which how the manager from a sole trader has developed, because he or she will have to deal with the ordering, the application, the implementation of the day-to-day running of the company, no matter how small that company is. Okay? So partnerships. Let's move in a little bit closer and I'll pan in, okay? Now read the information for yourselves, make it your own, okay? Extract it so you can see what's been tried to be said and how it's been implemented, okay? Now there are advantages and disadvantages in whether you are a sole trader or in a partnership, okay? They both have their own ups and downs and the negative aspects. The main thing here is to ensure that you minimize the negative aspects wherever possible, okay? And you keep on top of any business that you are in or you're running. Now, advantages and disadvantages of a private limited company. Again here, let me just pen in so to make sure we get cover the information that you will need to assist you. Okay. And I will just pen out so we get it all in. Okay. Okay, just pen it in again to make sure we have the information that we need. Now again, you don't need me to be doing a lot of talking on this. You can read it for yourselves, okay? So make sure you read it for yourselves and extract the information, okay? Remember, you can pause the videos as well. Now here, we're looking at what's called a holding company. What is a holding company? Okay, let's just pan in. And just pan out so we get it all in, okay? Now, cooperatives. Now again, read what it says. It tells you what they are, okay? Nationalized industries. Okay. Now, quangos. Now, the Sports Council and the Arts Council are two well-known quangos. But remember, quangos are actually is a word used for an organization that may not completely meet the criteria as a company, and therefore they are expendable in a sense. So they might be dismantled by government, or they might be extended depending on what purpose they may be fulfilling. Okay? Now again, you can read this for yourselves. You do not need me to be reading this out to you in any shape or form. Okay?